Summative assessment, on the other hand, may be seen as assessment of learning which occurs at the end of a particular unit. This form of assessment usually occurs toward the end of the period of learning in order to describe the standard reached by the learner. Often, this takes place in order to for appropriate decisions about future learning or job suitability to be made. Judgment derived from summative assessment are usually for the benefit of people other than the learner. So nito na people, kasama na dyan si principal, si ang parents, yung kasama din yan yung other stakeholders, yung LGU, di ba? Pag nagmi-meeting yung board, education board sa LGU, ba ang tawag dyan? Local school board. Mail pala si Sir na Sir pala. Okay, thank you for responding. So yung result ng summative assessment, kung may pwede rin i-relay yan sa local school board as part of the pag-uusapan. Skills.